I'm wondering where the day went. The clouds have me shrouded in grey, but I'm still out pounding the pavement. Drowning the half a pound of rest around paper. Clowning the label now, drowning in paper. Went out of cool, I'm down without an escape from work. And I love it, cause that's when your hard work gets you. My heart bursts through my chest, I'm rescued. So forget what the rest do, I'm blessed to do it to it, who the best. Do it to what I love. Look at it go. If we never stood in the cold, we wouldn't have fold. Used to put my crooked foot in what I couldn't resolve, but took control now. Hard work is good for the soul, and I love it. Growing through life for stress, knowing the fight is yes. Half a self-imposing of righteousness. Contract owners and licenses, service and lives we just searching for that moral of righteousness.
Boys, I met you at the bus stop. We had nothing but the drug shop. We had two toys, the sky on the hilltops. Now I'm grown up and it's still about hip hop.
Fridays, leaving the Bruce's man Friday, leaving the losers in the weekend. Sideways, seeking the truth, then I will lie. They keep me on my toes these days, but I won't lie. Hey, I beat them with the flow today's cause I love that I pen and pads like a red rag. Oh, I sing bad like Leningrad. Raising the crowd from the vacant lost like raising the ground on the face of dog like. And I love it, a life with no regret, no success without a price to own the debt. I roll the dice and despite the road ahead, put it in a crisis, I might just roll the ledge. But I love it, take away being out of sunset, delay away a day-to-day fears. Haters are the haters, but this status takes years, and it ain't where we at, that's how we made our way here.
Boys, I met you at the bus stop. We had nothing but the drug shop. We had two toys, the sky on the hilltops. Now I'm grown up and it's still about hip hop. I love it.
Hotel was part of town, and support act, we ain't half as loud, but twice as nice, you can ask the crowd. We passing out at the departure lounge. I love it, I hug the room like an old friend, like the world won with bones. And that's the role that monitor owns. They monitor so melodic enough, they want it.
The bike started kicking around a fair bit more in the previous race because the track's went rougher, and that sort of wore me out a lot more. So obviously my fitness wasn't there in that race, and I died off. You know, in the first race I went well, I won the race. You know, I had Cal Makem follow me the whole time. We swapped positions, you know, countless times. So, you know, hopefully in the last one I can get the bike sorted and get out there.
My first race in the 450 Open, and also first race in Pro Lights, so yeah, having fun in that. And 450 Open race went well yesterday. I think I got a 9th, a 5th and then a 3rd. So like to get in top 3 in my last race was pretty good. So I was pretty stoked with that, especially with some of the fastest guys in the country here, and this is pretty much as good as Victoria gets.
I love it, I'm grown up and it's still about